Welcome to technoinvention.com Data Structure and Algorithm Preparation for Taiwan Companies video series. Tutorial 1 Introduction. What will be covered in this video series? My qualification of creating this video series. I have 8 years of experience in IT industry. I have conducted interviews of many startup and Taiwan companies. I have conducted interviews of Amazon, Microsoft, Samsung, Swiggy, Informatica, 24 into 7, AI, Delivery, Healthcart, Bisalcon, Negero. And apart from this, I have conducted more than 40 to 50 other startup companies interviews. I have worked in big four companies as SD2. I won't be disclosing any NDA of any company, but the details which I will be sharing will be more like universal concepts of data extraction algorithm, which is asked in Taiwan companies. I love to teach and I have my unique method of teaching. I have total 3 years of experience in teaching in universities and coaching institutes. Data structure and algorithm preparation for Taiwan companies syllabus. I will be covering all the data structure and algorithm required to crack interviews of Taiwan companies SD1, SD2, SD3, SD4, software developer, senior software developer, principal engineer and architect. But I won't be covering all the data structures which exist in this world. I will be covering only those data structures which is required in interviews. So I will be covering array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, binary search tree, AVL, red black tree, then heap, hashing, graph, matrix, dynamic programming. And dynamic programming is very easy to to be solved. Yeah, you just need to follow me. Bit manipulation, XOR, AND, OR, etc. Geometry. So geometry is asked in Google. Probability, it is asked in Google. Sorting and searching algorithm, string matching like KMP algorithm. Then I will be covering few advanced data structure and algorithm like trie, segment tree, splash tree, B tree. So these advanced data structures are not being asked in interviews usually, but sometimes few question comes from these also. So we will be covering these. Why I'm creating these video tutorials? See, I have gone through a lot of resources. I have gone through cracking the coding interview. It is one of the best ST interview book, but still it is incomplete. Coursera, Geeks for Geeks, and a lot of other websites. CLRS, the algorithm Bible. It is too big to complete, and still it is incomplete. So what I mean to say with incomplete is these books resources don't teach a person that how to think so that you can resolve any DS algo problem. Solving one question is not a big deal. You can do that. But building the thought process by which you can solve any DS algo problem, that is the thing which is required in tier 1 company's interview, and I will be targeting upon it. How we will proceed in this video series. I will explain theory of data structure like array, linked list, graph, etc. Then we will code this data structure into Java. You can use any language, but as per my understanding, Java is really recommended language. All tier 1 companies is using Java, and after the release of Java 9 and Java 10, it has become really awesome language. Then we will discuss how data structure is saved in heap and stack memory. Then we will try to understand advantage and disadvantage of using one data structure and where we can use one data structure. We will try to understand the core concept. Then we will be moving towards solving few data structure questions which are usually asked by tier 1 companies. These are like understanding basic concept. Once you feel the concept, you will be able to apply logic in other solutions. See, there can be more than 100 problems on one data structure, but there are hardly 4 to 5 core concepts attached to one data structure. You just need to understand those core concepts and you will able to solve all 100 problems. Recommended approach: practice a lot. How much time it can take? So this question is asked by more than 1000 subscribers, and I am adding answer of this question here only. I think you want to become legend in DSLGO. So there are two kind of personalities. One is active person and second one is little bit lazy person. So let's assume you are active person. then I think it will take only 1 month for you to finish this tutorial. You just need to watch these tutorials, and in parallel you need to practice it. Give 4 to 8 hours per day, and that's all. You will be done. And let's assume you are a lazy person. So it's okay. See, lazy people are, I think, more smart people, to be true. But you will take like it will take 2 months to complete these two tutorials. In first month you just need to watch these tutorials. You need to watch 4 to 5 videos per day, and you will able to finish all videos in nearby 10 days. And you need to repeat these videos 2 to 3 times. So nearby 1 month you just need to keep on watching these videos, and per day you just need to spend 30 minutes. That's all. And from the next month you just need to watch one video, then practice it. Watch one video, then practice it. And you just need to spend 2 hours per day. That's all. I think now you will be legend in DSLGO. If you want to crack Taiwan company's interview, and if you want to earn great money and want to work upon great technologies, then you can subscribe my channel technoinvention.com. Thank you.